Many people only see investing through their 401k at work. However, there are a lot of other investment options for saving for retirement. Company retirement plans are great, but the structure is to benefit the average employee. I'm Van Richards. I'm a chartered financial consultant, and today I would like to share with you 4 reasons to own individual stocks for additional retirement savings. However, let me be very clear. Your retirement plan at work is usually the best place to start saving. But when you retire, you probably will need savings beyond your company retirement. Owning individual stocks allows you to manage the risk more precisely. You can own just a select few stocks, or you can own an entire index. You can customize your investments the way that you want. Here are 4 reasons to own stocks. Number 1, you have to pay taxes on the growth of investments that are outside of retirement plans. Owning individual stocks gives you the option of paying taxes now, later, or never if you pass the stocks to your heirs after you pass away. Plus, you can own dividend-paying stocks that can help you to have an income. Or you can own capital gains-oriented stocks that are only taxed when you sell them. You're in control. Number 2, you may want income-oriented stocks. According to the Federal Reserve, interest rates will remain flat until at least 2023. If you can tolerate the risk of stocks, dividend-paying stocks can pay you a quarterly income to supplement your primary income. Number 3, you may want to only own stocks of companies that align with your morals and beliefs. Or number 4, you may want to own the most fee-transparent options available. If you would like to learn more about investing in stocks for your retirement, go to my website and schedule a time to talk to me. If you go to richardsfinancialplanning.com, you can click on the Schedule a Call to Learn More button. I look forward to hearing from you.